I will end with the chanting of Om Mani Padme Hum. Take a deep breath, calm your mind, relax. Do not think of anything. Just think of Avalokiteshvara. You don't have to think about how he looks like, how many arms he has. Just think of Avalokiteshvara, that he's here with us right now, in this room, wherever you are, and he's blessing us through this mantra. Shkangye magye gondo kar zo sangezge vulargen Tokje shangye dola ze shanre zegla chansa lo o mane padme hong o mane padme hong o mane padme hong o mane padme hong Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Gevande Nyurdo Dai Shara Zevan Duvgurne Dova Jigamalos Pate Sala Good Paration. Thank you. As you mentioned earlier, we did a few days of recording in this beautiful studio of yours, and I feel very comfortable in it now because we recorded a lot of guided meditations, chantings for the app that you're actively working on, Level Supermind. And there will be a lot of chantings, recordings of guided meditation on that also. So, but I'm still happy to be able to do this chant here with you as we did last time. Thank you, Ranveer. Bless you.
I'm a little speechless, but the gratitude is in our hearts. So just want to say thank you. Today was just a conversation for us. It
Yeah,
wasn't so much a conversation for the podcast.
I know.
So thank you. This was meant to happen.
Thank you.
Thank you.